Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a new event and import the registrations. So we fire up AXWare, we go to Start New Event, we give the event a title. This one's going to be Night Series number 4. It's actually Night Series number 4 rescheduled. The actual Night Series number 4 got canceled, so this is the makeup event. That's why the event number doesn't match the title, but don't worry about that. Number of runs, we're going to set it to 20, just so we don't have any problems later on, and then click Make Event. All right, so here's the event. Go ahead and save this real quick. So save event. And again, like everything in AXWare, it's going to put it into the documents, the data directory. And if it's not there, you'll need to navigate to it for the data directory. You can scroll down and see some of the previous events. So this is the format we like to use. So I'm going to click on Night Series number 5 and then go down and actually change that 5 to a 4. Again, we're doing it kind of backwards. 4 comes after 5 in this case because it got canceled and rescheduled because of rain. And .ecf is the event control file extension, and that definitely needs to be there, so don't change that. Just change everything before the dot. So go ahead and hit save. And yes, we're going to replace it. Alright, so now we need to go get the registrations. We'll hide this for a second. Log into Motorsport Reg. Go to Reports, because that's what Motorsport Reg calls a file export, is a report. We need to scroll down to AXWare Event Report, and you'll notice there's 2 of them. We need to get the one that has legacy out here beside at the end of the description. We're using 4 or 5-year-old AXWare software, so we have to use the one that says legacy. So we'll click on that. And then we need to choose an event. This is going to be Night Series number 4 rescheduled. Grouping, you need to choose something. It doesn't really matter what you choose, but you have to choose something. If you choose no grouping, it won't export anything. So we'll just do by name. And then we want to pull in only the people who have checked in. Presumably we will be doing this after check-in has been completed. So I would uncheck both of those, and we want just checked in. Now I'm actually doing this demo video before the event actually starts, so if I did that I wouldn't get any registrations in, so I'm going to leave that. But just know when you do this for real, we don't want any of that. We only want to click the checked in box so that we only import the people who have checked in. The rest of the stuff can be left blank. None of this really matters, so click continue. And then we need to export this report here. Click on export. It needs to be in tab separated value, so we need to change it to tab, export it, and this should cause a file to be downloaded to the desktop. And right there it is. The file will be the date, year, month, day, and it says AXWare event export legacy.txt. So we have our file. Now we go back over to AXWare. We go File, Import, Registrations. You need to navigate to the desktop and find that file. Oh, look, I didn't delete the last one. There was one from, that's probably NCAC. Usually I like to get rid of those as soon as I've imported them, so there's no question about it. But again, it goes by the date. So right there, October 19th is the date of the event. So click on that. And that's it. We have imported all the registrations into the computer. We're showing 48 currently registered. And that's it. We're basically ready to run the event. I actually do see a problem right there. Richard Dale entered his number wrong again. We can edit that real quick. Going over here and click recall. class, and then change that to just 34, and that will fix that. Anyway, not really the scope of this video, but I figured I'd fix it.